Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let us learn how to calculate weight of a salt to prepare concentration of given ion in terms of milliequivalents per liter. Means if I have to prepare a solution of sodium ions in which 30 milliequivalents per liter sodium ions are present. So how much sodium chloride salt I should weigh so that the 1 liter solution of sodium chloride will have 30 milliequivalents of sodium ions into it. Second example which we will be seeing is weight calculation for calcium chloride for 1 liter solution, so that after weighing this salt and after adding it in 1 liter solvent, the solution which we have got, that solution will have 8 milliequivalents of calcium ions. This is the formula which we will be using for weight calculation. Weight of salt required to make 1 liter of solution is equal to milliequivalents required for given ion divided by valency of that particular element whose ionic concentration we are studying or we are calculating, and then molecular weight of the salt which we will be weighing to prepare the ionic solution. Before we proceed, just a simple explanation. For example, I want to make chloride ion concentration, a solution of chloride ions. So solution of chloride ion I can prepare by weighing sodium chloride also, because it has chlorine into it. I can prepare this chloride ion solution by preparing calcium chloride also. So if I am using sodium chloride to prepare, suppose this 30 milliequivalents of chloride ion solution, then that weight will not be same as that of weight of calcium chloride which I am using to prepare the same milliequivalent solution of chloride ions. Okay, because in this formula here I will be using molecular weight of the salt which is to be used as a source of that particular ion. This is the first example where weight of sodium chloride is to be found out to prepare 1 liter solution containing 30 milliequivalent sodium ions. This weight of salt is equal to, as per the formula, 30. This 30 milliequivalents is given in the question. It is provided in the question, divided by valency. If I am talking about sodium, its valency is 1, multiplied by molecular weight of sodium chloride. Okay. So it is 1755 milligrams of sodium chloride is to be weighed, and this will be added in 1 liter of solvent, and this 1 liter of solution is now having 30 milliequivalents of sodium ions. One more similar example here. Weight of calcium chloride is equal to 8 milliequivalents of calcium ions are required in the solution, divided by its valency. So valency of calcium is 2, multiplied by molecular weight of salt. So this is the salt, and molecular weight is 40 plus 35.5 into 2, plus we have hydrogen 2 and 2 4, and oxygen twice, so 16 into 2, and this is giving me 147. This answer is coming as 588 milligrams. So 588 milligrams of calcium chloride will be weighed and it will be added in 1 liter solvent So the resultant solution will have 8 milliequivalents of calcium ions. Thank you very much for paying attention till the end. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.